Because I see that there might be some sort of anomaly wherein you are asking subsidy from the national government, you reinvest it on T-bills that the national government, you ask from Congress taxpayers' money, you reinvest it into treasury bills na binibigay ng national government. The national government has to borrow money para bayaran yung treasury bills na yan, and that you earn in the interest. Yet, in the same time, decades long, hindi pa gumagalaw yung benefit packages natin.
Yeah. Correct. Again, Madam Chair, may I? Actually, correct again, Kong Reyes, no? That's why, but if we expedite or if we accelerate the increase in the benefit packages, it will solve the problem because we will not have too much cash to invest. Nangyari po lang kasi yan kung nag-pile up kasi yan kasi more than 10 years po hindi namin in-enhance yung benefit packages. But in the last 2 years and especially in the next year, we will be ramping up. So mababawasan po yung investable funds by a lot po, no? So I think that will address the issue. By our enhancing the benefit packages very aggressively and very substantially, the issue will be addressed po.
Okay, thank
But
you.
noted on your comments po.
Is there anybody here sa PhilHealth who has been there for more, at least within the 10-year range, that is part of those who gave a recommendation on how to invest these funds?